thing about having my camera is that it's very light. I can like take it into stores and I can be discreet about it, because the other one was a DSLR and it was humongous.
Welcome back, my friends. Yes, it is your girl, Jasmine. And I actually am just testing out my camera, but what I'm also going to be doing today is another wonderful makeup tutorial. I have missed doing one. It's been forever. And yeah, let's just see how it goes, right? Don't go anywhere. I have been making my smoothies, another video. So, alright, let's do this. Let's do this. Like, I'm just winging it. I'm gonna just go ahead and, wait a minute, what did I just buy? Oh, illuminating primer. Like, and it came out, like, look at it. It feels, I thought I was putting foundation on, my friends. Yeah. Okay. So now that I went and applied this baby, which is supposed to radiate, it's a radiant finish, instant brightening, and illuminating primer. So they had a few others by Milani. I chose the orange one. I'm going to go ahead and use the Healthy Foundation by Physicians Formula. I actually really come to like this foundation. I know you guys are probably like cringing right now, like I should not be doing this because like it's not healthy for my face. I've been noticing I've been breaking out breaking out a lot more. Not smart move, I will admit that. As I did state, for the 100 subscribers, I will be doing a giveaway. I'm thinking, but I will be letting y'all know about the giveaway more in detail tomorrow. There's a reason why I'm waiting till tomorrow, but okay. I'm also going in with the Believe Beauty, and this is concealer in light beige, and if you don't know this brand, I purchased it from the Dollar General. So y'all have them Dollar Generals, y'all know what I'm talking about. And I do use Wet n Wild's the micro ultimate brow micro brow pencil. So I will just go ahead and do my eyebrows, nothing fancy. I'm going to do them off camera just because it's nothing special to it. Yeah, lasting fix, and it's translucent, and it's banana powder like this. And anywhere I applied it, I just pretty much, you know, I'm not like baking or anything, obviously. So I will go ahead and use Hard Candy's dual-ended contour stick. I usually am a Wet n Wild contour stick gal. Let's try her out. So is this like double? Okay, well, this is cute. It's like gold. See that? It's gold, y'all. Like, it's cute. It's cute packaging. So normally this might be too dark. Looking over there, I'm not looking over here. Sorry, my friends. I have yet to perfect things because, like I said, it's been a while. It's okay though. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and use my, goodness. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and do my, see, it's been so long, I have I forgot to use. So I came across this L'Oreal Infallible Longwear Shaping Stick, and it's in blush, and I got it for $1. Once again, I don't know if I did this, I don't know if I showed you all, I don't know. I go like to the Walmart, I go often. So I'm gonna go ahead and use Good Vibes Only right here. I just want to look pretty. I want to give you guys ideas, that sort of thing. And fun, and you know, just enjoying what I do, you know what I mean? But also let you all know that it's okay to mess up, clean it up and fix it, you know what I mean? On that note, my friends, I will be applying eyeliner, and I will be going in with Wet n Wild's felt tip pen, eyeliner pen. I will be doing my mascara. I'm gonna go in with Milk's Lush or Kush mascara, and that's right here. So I'll be right back. To like just, this channel is mainly makeup, but you know, lifestyle. So if I feel like going on a road trip or just vlogging and you know, only showing certain things, or so if sometimes it doesn't pertain to just makeup, just letting y'all know, it won't be like a long video. It could just be like a 2-minute video or something like that, but I try to incorporate who I am slowly into my videos, so you all know who, you know, who you dealing with, you know what I mean? No, but okay, bye. Okay, I apologize for that. I had the y'all know I have my radio on. Yeah, so I don't know if y'all heard, but
Wait. Ah! What is that? Ooh. Ooh.
Oh. Sorry, I'm not really dramatic like that, but there was something on my chair and it was like a nail. How about like Chipotle, okay? I just heard it on the radio. Like radio? Yeah, I have a radio. Like an alarm clock radio. Like old-fashioned. GE. General Electric. Is that what it is? But, anyways, I was listening to the commercial, and the commercial stated something about, like, if you want to get the Chipotle, you know how Elf, I don't know if you all know this, but Elf is going to be releasing a cosmetics line that goes off of Chipotle. The palette goes off of Chipotle. There's going to be, like, lip gloss, and yeah, so anyways, it said something about if you want to get the giveaway or something, go to chipotle.com. I'm like, really? Like, you can like go to Chipotle's now and enter for makeup? I don't know, I might be wrong, but I swear that's what they said. I feel like I'm rushing it. This mascara, for being like high name brand, is okay. So yes, my friends, if you all heard of that, I don't know, let me know. Let a girl know, you know? I thought that was interesting. Alright, now to apply lashes, and I'll show you the package. It's called Light and Fluffy, and it's by Salon Perfect, which is like by the nails that I purchase and I use. So Salon Perfect is good for like glue on nails and lashes. Just in case anyone didn't know. Anyways, my friends, it's this package right here. So we'll see how they apply. Okay, so one lash on, one lash to go. Yeah, I use my fingertips. You know that, like, you guys are probably like, well, didn't you get that Dollar Tree lash applicator? Yeah, but I ain't using it though. Once again, I just wanted to remind everyone, while this lash is drying, the glue drying, I will be doing a giveaway. That was no joke. That's not a joke. I will, we'll see. I don't know, like, this will be my first time doing a giveaway, but I want to continue. So I need y'all to be interactive, my friends, not just because I need it or want. It's more so like I want you to, you know what I mean, to be more interactive, comment, you know, that whole thing. I just literally apply it like this. Y'all can make fun of me, that's okay. I literally was like an idiot. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and apply this Dollar Concealer Blush by L'Oreal Infallible Long Shaping Stick. I don't even know, like, do I just go like this, or like, you know, I don't even know. Oh my god. That's pretty funny. That made me chuckle. Oh. So yeah, there's that. But I'm gonna be using Fenty. Ooh, you dirty girl. Anyways, Fenty Beauty's bronzer in the color Sunstalker color shade. Can't wait to find out, like, if this camera, this right here, picks up like certain, you know, noises. This is gonna be a very fun, considering I have some noisy neighbors. It's just only one, like I live in a duplex house, but alright, let me go ahead and figure out what I'm gonna use for my lips. The lips, very important for a look. Okay. So I'm not sure how good of a concoction this is going to be with KKW. But we'll just check it out. Only reason why I was saying that is because I've got really, like, I got hot pink on. I got the hot pink eyeshadow. Okay, so that wasn't so bad. Now for highlight, I have this little child size Becca, and she's like all crushed up, so I'm just gonna use like my fingers, honestly. I really like Becca products though. Fruit Fetish Make It Last Dragon Fruit Peach Scented Setting Spray. Alright, let's get this ball rolling. Kind of smells peachy. Kind of. A little bit. Alright, my friends. Okay. She looks okay there. You look good. Alright, my friends, this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed it. It's a look. It's a look, you know? It's a look, you know? I mean, what do we, you know, what am I supposed to do? The colors I chose. Anyways, I want to say thank you so much for watching. You all are very, very special to me. I appreciate you all. Thank you so much for the new subscribers and my current subscribers. You all are fantastic. Be kind to others, and take care of your mind, body, and soul.
Yeah, I know I wore pink eyeshadow with the red Jordan and black and red white flannel, but that's okay because that's a look. It's a look.